This is a used 2009 Pontiac G5, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine, and a four-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. White's University Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3609 East Grand Avenue, Laramie, Wyoming 82070.